Say hi, Money. People that say my baby girl. Say hi, Money. Tell them your name. With that, she don't talk yet. She only 15 months old. Right? People that say my daughter. Say bye, Money. Alright, so people, let's say my little daughter, right? Alright. Here we come to talk about today. Welcome to SouFLoTV, everybody. As you can see, it is SouFLoTV. I like the shirt. But there I watch a thing, right? I'm going to say, another Jamaican schoolgirl is caught in the act. In our school uniform, in a brethren. In our school uniform look like Edwin Allen Comprehensive. I don't want to put Edwin Allen under the, I don't want to dash Edwin Allen under the bus. But a school uniform, they look familiar. Unless there are other schools with the same uniform. I don't know. I now say it's an Edwin Allen Comprehensive schoolgirl. I just say it's a schoolgirl in a one blue uniform with white shirt underneath it. Sky blue. Anyway, my girl up on her knee in a dog in front of one big man, you know. A angle business, you know, with her mouth, you know. Now, I put my daughter up on this video at the beginning for you to look on her and see. And I'm my child alone precious, but I know that every child is precious and even more so precious to the parent of that child. Now, when a man look on him like a daughter, I raise him like a daughter, he don't want none of them things that are. That's probably that, and that's the reason why Sizzler did I burn out certain things. When Sizzler said, he might talk to Gage and the one alkaline, and I must say none of that around here. No dung in a throat around here. You know what I say? Yeah, when man, them things that when man them I tell a girl them to do. People it's like on a pre. Say music is extremely powerful. You see back in the day, in the early reggae days, or even early dancehall days, them used to balance the thing. And the thing never got so overboard. You know what I say? And them used to speak or fix them lyrical content in a way that left something to the imagination then. That means if you can interpret it many different ways, right? Nowadays, them just go straight feet. Hood in your mouth, girl. Long in your throat, girl. Like, yo. I don't know. I know some me wouldn't want that for my daughter though. But on this vlog, I talk to you about the power of music. Back in the day, certain things never did go on because music wasn't being done a certain way. This is what them call sonic warfare. You understand? If military people can use music, for torture prisoners of war, why you think them can't use music for brainwash the masses into thinking what they want you to think? Or influence the behavior of the youths? Remember, you know, them say music, music cross all boundaries, you know. Music is that powerful, you know. It moves every fiber of your being, you know, man. It cuts straight to it, you know. Every cell in your body, you know. Vibration. The musical vibration or the vibration of music. So, this is not the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or 20th Jamaican schoolgirl where them catch in the act and video circulate and gone viral. I don't put it up on my channel, but you can see it online because it is online and I've seen it. And then the first one I see. I just said that uniform here this time look like Edwin Allen Comprehensive. Hi. If somebody know or go Edwin Allen, talk up the things them. Anyway, what I say is the music influence the youths them for do some things today where it's frightening and it's sickening. One bag of bad man, gunman, bust my gun in a boy face tune and wonder why Jamaica full of so much killing and the youth them desensitized to committing murder. That's why you say them lick down the tree down at Clarendon the other day. And that's why you see the murder rate climb so rampantly. Because you listen to it constantly in your head. It's in your meditation. It's in your spirit already. So I know nothing for you to do it now, you know? Like, do it in person now. So that is what I go on. And now with the music, and that I go on. Beenie Man look out on Bad Boy Trevor the other day and I talk about him now want no porno in a dance hall. Cause I guess Bad Boy Trevor did a dash some money upon some girl with that take off them clothes. But Beenie Man and then Uncle Beenie Man, all the artists them now come out of Jamaica sing song, and somewhere in them song, they must sing something about getting head. The girl them have to suck off them something. Them kind of thing there. This thing is influencing the females in Jamaica. And if you check my channel, because I have one next video upon there where you must see. And they talk about Jamaican men, especially in the entertainment business, we keep on and make them all heap of dung in a throat and bottle wash lyrics here. And them now talk about what them a do to the girl them. In the video me ask you, so Jamaica have one bag of full girl then. Every woman in Jamaica is an idiot then. Because like alone I do everything and nobody know do nothing to you. That's why man them silent. Go check out that video. But this one today, when I see the video man, I said, damn, John no, wouldn't want that for my daughter at all. And I not even say, look a girl I do it and she have on like regular clothes and thing cover up. This look like, boy, this look like out in the public here, sir. This look like out in the public and the girl down on her knee in her school uniform. Then Jamaica, talk to me people. I saw school fee hard to pay. Eh? I saw sufferation enough a yard. That the youth them feel like say this them have to do. Because I know say she not just do it just for do it. Man go there all pay her school fee and make sure that she have money in her pocket and she have one of her latest iPhone them and something where she can brag upon her friend them with latest new shoes and some new clothes and mommy can't afford them thing there and daddy not there on or daddy there on but him can't afford them thing there. Or probably not get them thing there for her. But the man on the side I give her them thing there and a big man for a little girl. We know so that I go on to Jamaica a long time. Because I remember one time me I go to school. My grandparents them used to say, you see when you load up the school bus, the elders them back in the day used to say no girl can sit down upon no man lap. Not even with little picnic lap. None of the school girl them when we go to school with when we pack up in the van or go home or I go to school. None of the girl them couldn't sit down in our lap. Now, I say girl sit down in a man lap. You see conductor have school girl upon his lap. And when we used to sit that back in the day, that girl there, people already didn't know, say, okay, that girl there, you see that girl there? Because them always existed, you know. Everybody wasn't always good. Schoolgirl are sit down in a conductor lap for a long time, but they used to do it when bus park and them in an era where nobody don't know them family. But you see once the bus reach over and I say, your area now, then you see how them shuffle up fast. Because somebody I got tell. Or somebody I got come on the bus and see it. And say, get up out of a big man lap, girl. You know what I say? So what happened to them things there? We couldn't, the girl them in my time couldn't even sit down. And I don't know old man in a dog, me in my 30s. So I show you say, just the other day, this a girl them couldn't sit down on no big man lap. And now them a suck out in a school uniform. And I take video of it and it a go viral. I don't know here, sir. Probably Sizzler was right. Them need to fix up them musical or them lyrical content because it is leading the children them astray. And when you see my pretty little daughter in the beginning of the video, I don't want her to get led astray at all. You hear me? I don't want her to get led astray at all. And a parent can only do so much to try to hide certain things from them children. But once them go out there in the world, them at the mercy of the world and anything will come them way and you have to expose them to certain things and show them what to avoid. You know what I say? You can't make them grow up with blinders on. So anyway, people, I'm going to cut that one here short, but I want to know really and truly what going on in Jamaica. Not only with the whole heap of murder them, but with the schoolgirl them. Especially I do it in them school uniform. Ross, I watch one the other day, and the video that gone viral too. I who wear yellow uniform. I don't know who wear yellow uniform, but the girl have one yellow uniform. I down a bush the girl there. And 1 foot cock up. And a school youth in them khaki reel it away. You know what I say? So I want to know what's going on with the girl them still at Jamaica. Anyway, people, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's SouFLoTV. You see it? We're out of here. Don't forget, leave your comments in the section below, yes? And I could talk about the things then. Yeah? Big up to every Jamaican worldwide. Same way.